Hey smokers, Jiraga1 here. Today we're going to be taking another look at the DOS netbook that I used last week to make a music player, a dedicated music player for my car. Now, I ran into some issues with having only a 32 gigabyte partition. And this wasn't because there was a limitation to FAT32. Its partitions can get pretty big. The limitation was I had installed Windows 95, my source operating system that I was trying to copy, into an SSD from the 95 video that was only 32 gigs in size. So I was taking a 32 gig partition and then having issues when I tried to resize it. What we're going to do today is we're going to do a fresh install of just DOS. That's right, a fresh install of just DOS on this with a full size 160 gig partition on our original netbook hard drive. So we're no longer going to be using an SSD here, but I suppose I could if I wanted to. But I kind of want to save some of the SSDs for some other projects, so we'll just use this for now, and if I really feel like I need an SSD, I'll throw one in there later. But first, we need to even figure out if this works. So let's go ahead and start the disassembly here. So the problem I had when I was trying to originally start this video is I had no bootable flash drive that really worked with this computer. I could boot some things wouldn't work. I tried to use Rufus to copy the ISO onto a flash drive, and it just wasn't working out. It copied some ISOs, but not others. So I don't know what was going on there. So yeah, I love this netbook because the hard disk access is second to none. It is really easy to get in there and swap it. I wouldn't say it's as fast as like syncing an iPod, but if I wanted to take this out, sync some music into it, put it back in, and then I'm good, or copy music rather. It's not. So now we got a pretty much blank drive in there. Now on this, I actually was able to figure out and make a DOS 7.1 bootable. Let's take a look. Where the fuck is... Okay, there it is. So it's probably doing that because it wants to boot off of the hard disk, but there's nothing there. So restart. Press F12, and we'll want to go to Kingston Data Traveler, and we're already starting MS-DOS. Turn that brightness up a little bit. Oh, no, I just have really bright lights here. And just in case you missed that, let's do that one more time. We're going to hit F12 here. We're going to select your USB, and it boots up right to MS-DOS 7. And sometimes this has some issues, like the memory extension stuff, or extended memory stuff. And I told it to initialize some PCI audio that's just not there. But it doesn't really matter because MPX Play still works. If you want to see that in action... Oh, that's right, I didn't put MPX Play on this. Well, either way, we got some other stuff, like Doom and Quake. But pretty much MPX Play is the only thing that outputs audio because apparently it has some crazy driver shenanigans that work. So what are we going to do? So if you see right here, we got some pretty cool installers here on the drive. We got the Windows 98 CD contents, Windows 95 CD contents, and DOS 7 CD contents. So we can try and install these if DOS 7 doesn't work out for audio. But if I can, I want to have pure DOS on this laptop. I don't want any weird tie-ins with Windows. I just want DOS. So... and then run setup. Well, shit. Well, let's see if we can bypass that. So this is interesting. If exist boot fake disk, go to error. If not exist, so fakedisk.com. So we need to do so boot it's trying to launch these two fake disk. What the batch file is trying to do is it's trying to open a fucking disk image for no reason. Let's look at this again. So see this DOS 7.1 INS image? This is supposed to mount into the A drive. Fake disk is supposed to create an A drive. Why? I don't know. It's just annoying for no reason. Okay, so see this fake disk, disk 1. So basically what I have to do is fake disk. Well, I don't even remember what it was. Fake disk DOS 7.1 ins.img. And so it actually did it, but then it had an error. So now I want to go into A, invalid drive. Okay, so D. Okay, that's the internal drive. We can actually see that we have 160 gigs, so that's good. Where did it put it? Is it on E, F, B? Uninstall, enable disk, disable, start offset. Does it say? Okay, so the funny thing is I tried to Google fake disk, and the only thing I could come up with for fakedisk.com was a Chinese forum post. Yeah, and the reason for that is that DOS 7 is actually a Chinese release. So I think that's actually why that happened. So I'm going to go down here. What I did is I took that image, the DOS install image that you saw, that this thing was trying to mount. And for whatever reason it couldn't mount it. So what I did is I took it on my main computer, I extracted the image into a directory, and we'll just launch the setup from that directory. And there we go. So here we go. The trackpad even works. So that's a miracle in itself. So I'm probably going to do the full DOS setup. I don't know why else I wouldn't. Now I'm hoping it gives me the option to actually install on the D drive, because if it doesn't, it's going to want to install on the C drive, which is the flash drive that already has a copy of DOS on it. So that could be a problem. So I actually have to point this to the DOS, the location of the DOS files. This might still not work because it's being a piece of shit right now. Yeah, it's initializing. Yeah, like it's really going to take that long. Okay, apparently DOS is playing hardball with me now. I'm going to have to do what I think is a form of dynamic linking in DOS. God damn it. So basically, this is substitutes a path for a drive, I think. So drive 1, drive 2, path. So drive 1 specifies a virtual drive to which you want to assign a path. Okay. A C / fuck. God damn it. Did it work? It worked! It fucking worked, man! Okay, now we can go into C. So now A, it thinks that the DOS directory... Oh god, this is going to take so much explanation. So basically, this is the result... Why doesn't that work? Sorry. So basically, this is the result that the disk image was trying to get. It was trying to host these files into the A drive. So now we can go back to C, go to CD, DOS 7 CD, and now we can actually successfully run setup, but we don't need to. We go to edit, setup. Fuck, I hate this so much. Okay. That should work, I think. Because we need this parentheses 1 thing going on here. I don't really know what that's going to do. Oh shit, I shouldn't have saved that. Luckily I have the same old text. But let's try it. And boom, what do you know, it worked. So let's see if it'll actually work now. Hey, we got progress! I think. Yeah, it's actually going. I needed the percentage sign 1. So it can't locate the source file, so it's not an A, so we gotta go to C, DOS7 CD slash DOS71, I think. Now check partitions on hard drives. I hope this isn't putting it on the flash drive. Sure, let's rewrite it. So now let's instead put it on D. Because that's internal. So full installation. Install add-ons, we'll just do everything. Now, if I install the add-ons and do this other stuff, in weird situations it will fuck up and not work. So I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Let's just do it. Yes, 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 okay. Okay, that's a really good sign. Should I have the MS-DOS 7 logo? Nah. Let's not do bootlog just in case that slows it down. I think it was okay to click yes to that. I think that's good. We don't need a CD-ROM drive, so don't load that. So we could do file sharing, but I guess advanced power management couldn't hurt because we're actually on a laptop now, just in case we're on battery. Long file name support, yeah. Cute mouse. Don't know what that is. Sure, whatever. Okay. Let's reboot and unplug the flash drive. Shit. Ah, Christ, it doesn't work. Well, let's find out what went wrong. Oh, great. Now I fucked up my bootable flash drive. That's really inconvenient. Like, really inconvenient. I can't do the rest of the video now. I'll have to make another bootable flash drive? Are you kidding me? Why would it fuck it up? I don't understand. It just fucked up the wrong drive. Oh yeah, because I told it to rewrite the master boot record code so that it would point towards the D drive. So that means if I restart now and now restart with the flash drive plugged in, it should just work. No, it didn't. No, it's just fucked. We fucked everything up. So I'm gonna see if I can undo this and try something else. Oh look, I got it done already. Yay! Nope. It's the exact same flash drive and it boots up normally. What's the difference? I actually plugged the right flash drive in. I have 5 of exactly the same looking flash drives. I plugged the wrong one in. So everything still does work. Just DOS 7 didn't really want to, you know, work, I guess. So what's the next step? Well, DOS 7 seems like it's a little finicky unless it's installed off of a CD, so maybe we should just do that some other time. But what would be more interesting? What's something we've done before? Something almost obnoxiously common. There we go. And there you are, the Windows 98 setup. Does the trackpad work? It does! So yes, guys, we're actually installing Windows 98. But it's for the express purpose of just having a drive that is formatted with 160 gigs and is running some sort of DOS. We don't really want to use Windows 98. We just want to use the DOS portion of it. Why are we using Windows 98? Well, just in case it has some extra goodies in there that make it better than Windows 95. I don't really know what that would be, but, you know, who knows? Better support for FAT32? I'm not sure. Okay, so we don't want to put it in C Windows. We want to put it in D Windows. Caution, setup has run out of memory while checking your drive. Setup cannot confirm your hard disk is free of errors. It is recommended you exit setup and fuck you.
It appears we are fine, gentlemen. We will successfully install Windows 98, and then we will copy all of the music files into the root of the hard disk. And then we will have music play.
Oh shit. It's pretty nice actually. Oh well, you know, if you want to say anything, no, fuck off. Okay, track that. It's not the best track that I've ever used, but fuck, it's still terrible. It's not a service area. Fucking piece of piss. I'm clicking another, and then come back to the same one like that. Oh my god. I just went there for that. I think, like, fuck you. What the fuck's happening? For some reason, I wait, copy, I really don't need this. I'm not sure. Just fucking do it. I don't care. Okay, I do it every single time. It's totally unnecessary, but I just almost have to do it every time. Computer name, NB205. Well, guys, I've seen this so many fucking times that it's actually making me nauseous to see an install of this again, so I'll be back when it's finished. So guess what? I didn't record it, but it installed... Now I actually did mess up my bootable flash drive. It installed all the important stuff for booting onto the flash drive, and everything else just got fucked. So it has the installation files it installed onto D, but the actual boot information is on my flash drive. So I think that's what happened last time. Like, I don't remember how I fixed this. I'm gonna have to go back and find the 95 install video, because I guess this is really just some asinine problems that you can run into. So let's see if I can just get this finished. Oh, god damn it. Kinda wish I watched my own video before. This is crashed. I needed to copy the Windows folder over to the internal hard drive and run it from there, not from the flash drive, because I fucked everything up. So now I have to do it all over again. That's right, I have to install Windows 98 again. I'm not happy. What the fuck? Hopefully it can still boot, because right now it will only boot off the flash drive. F12, baby. Come on. Okay, F8, F8. Okay, cool. Command prompt only. Safe mode command prompt only. Okay, we got the C. Alright, do we got the D? Do we got the D? Do we got the D? We have the D. We got 152 gigs. Yes, we do. Okay, so we're doing good. But now we got a shit. Dell Tree Windows. Yes! Yes! Alright. So, I'll be back. So, luckily my flash drive actually works well enough for this to happen. It's just instead of running DOS 7 on the flash drive, it's running Windows 98 on the flash drive. So I can still use command prompt, but I mean, functionally it still works. But man, I am seriously crossing my fingers right now that this is going to keep working. Okay, so for some reason program files is in there, so we go to this. And all our stuff is still there, except we got some weird shit from the... So we still have the Windows 98 CD, so we want to copy C Win98 CD to D Win98 CD. Ah, fuck. Win98... C Win98 CD to D Win98 CD. Wait, what? Oh my god, I'm a goddamn dumbass. Fuck. Oh my god. No, wrong one. What did I do before? What did I do before? God damn it, I almost have to go back in the recording and find out how the fuck I deleted a directory. Okay, it was just Dell Tree. Is it not there? Why is that a bad command or file name now? What the fuck is going on? Oh my god. So now I have to use xcopy. Hopefully it works. Oh my god, it doesn't. Oh my god, it's a worse and shittier version of DOS. I have to go get the better command line interpreter. C DOS 7.1 command com. Oh fuck. What do you mean correct name of command line interpreter? That is it. That is the correct name. Please believe me. Run this command com. No, you piece of shit. Yes, it can't load Windows. X copy. X copy now works for no reason. Don't use safe mode because it fucks up everything. Okay, so now we gotta go to dir, del tree. We must have fucked up our command line interpreter somewhere in there. I have no idea how, but we gotta keep going, guys. Win98 cd. Oh, that works. Look at that. It's the exact same fucking command. When did I lose? Fuck, I don't care. We're gonna keep going. C X copy. Win 90. C shit. Win 90. Fuck. 98 CD. I don't need to capitalize this at all. To D. Win 98 CD. Invalid path. God damn it! I have to do this all over again. Make directory. Win 98 CD. dir, it's there. Okay, let's go back. Come on, guys. Go, 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 go. Can I press up? No, I can't. Something got fucked after I did del tree. I'll probably have to restart the system, so I don't care. Does Xcopy still work? No, it doesn't. That's just Xcop. God damn it. We'll keep going. Yeah, okay, it still works, so we're good. Xcopy. C, win 98. I don't have to copy CD. D, win 98 CD. Go. Why is it only recopying 3 goddamn files? Ah, fuck it. I'm gonna kill myself. X copy. C. Win 98 CD to D. Win 98 CD. /E. Yes! Fuck yes, it's working. I can't believe it. Man, I both hate and love this operating system, and I don't know why. I guess because it really is garbage in, garbage out, 100% of the time. Always operator error every single fucking time. Basically, every single file that was from the Windows 98 CD, from our flash drive to the, it's not an SSD, it's the internal drive that we just installed, the 160 gig. We're copying all those over, and then we have to set our working directory over to that drive. Okay, this is the sensitive part now. I don't know if we'll be able to do this. So D, there's all the files, everything we need. But it's not bootable like this. This is our bootable area. So maybe if fdisk, change the current fixed disk drive. Ah, fuck, I don't know if this is gonna work. I got an idea. I'll unplug my flash drive now, so I can't fucking touch it. Setup, bitch. No, don't set up. Setup /is. Copying them where? I don't know. Let's install Windows 98 a fucking again. I don't know if you know, in the 95 SSD video, I had to do this 3 times, except for Windows 95, so I guess it was faster. I'm thinking this is going to be the last time I need to do this, because again, I don't have the thing plugged in, so it's got to be putting these files somewhere. Setup cannot create files in the startup drive and cannot set up Windows 98. Fuck you. So now you can't find the command line interpreter. Yep. Fuck. Back to our Windows 98 DOS menagerie. I plugged in the wrong. That's fucking flash drive again. I don't know why I don't just make that the top option. There's an error in my configsys on line 5. Oh no, it's a fucking clusterfuck of DOS and Windows 98. No. Ah, shit. So I could launch the setup from the other drive, but it doesn't fucking matter. I don't have any way to boot off of the other drive. I would need some sort of intermediary drive because I don't want it to store the files on C at all. No. Fuck off. How am I going to stop doing that? I don't know. Okay, so the problem is that when I boot off of a flash drive, these guys right here, it sets the drive, the working drive to drive C, the flash drive to drive C. We can't have that. How can we make it so that the internal drive on the computer is recognized as drive C? You have to have something bootable that's read-only and won't steal drive C under any circumstances. What can guarantee that? A fucking external CD drive with MS-DOS 6 on it. Oh my god, USB CD-ROM. It's a fucking option. Oh my god. So, okay, fine. C. Invalid drive specification. F disk. F disk. Fuck. Fuck disk. Okay. I should have known. MS-DOS 6 can't read FAT32. Of course it can't find drive D. But what do we have here? Something that can read FAT32. Man, I've seen that a lot. Do you realize how many binds this thing got me out of? Oh my god. So what are we going to do? Install Windows 98 off of the CD? Well, no, actually. We're going to start it off of C, which now it can read, and there's our Win98 CD. So, and now it actually thinks it's C. So what are we going to do next? Well, we're going to CD Win98 CD, and we're going to install onto itself. In fact, we're not even going to use an external drive whatsoever. We're going to have it go from hard disk to hard disk, just like we did in the other video. So basically, we just wasted a whole bunch of time, and this is what I should have done from the beginning. Let's fucking do this. Setup/is. So there's no way this can go wrong now, because even if it tries to write data to the external CD drive, it can't because it's read-only. Can't believe that we had to go through all this fucking trouble. And to think I was able to do it with flash drives before. And I think that's because I was using the magical Hiren's boot CD flash drive. And it somehow managed to get rid of the boot drive as C. So, must have been some Unix magic there. I have no idea. Okay, so what I did is, in effort to recreate the other video as much as possible, I ran out of flash drives. All those other flash drives were used up, believe it or not. I have Hiren's boot CD here, and we're gonna frickin' get this working. Standard. So this is exactly what I did in the last video. And I went in there and I saw that FAT32 was visible. Good. So now we gotta get the hell out of here. Out of F3. Aha! See, we're in R. So if I hit C now, that is it D? Ooh, this is looking shady. Well, it's looking kind of sketchy, kind of not right here. Everything's lowercase. Maybe it'll work. Shit. You didn't need that. You loaded it all on the RAM, dude. Retry. That wasn't drive C anyway. What the... How did I do this? I really don't know how I did this. Okay, so see how it says C. I have no fucking idea. In the video, this is D HBCD and not C. So this really should have just worked. So let's remove this. No problem. Okay. So let's... Oh shit. Let's go to D. CD Win98 setup. Or CD. Setup/is. Not bad. Okay. So you gotta have the right timing when you're removing this thing. Mouse still works. I guess the other problem is I've never actually tried this with Windows 98. So that could be part of the problem. And this is where it got locked up every single time, and it didn't because it couldn't create files on the hard disk for no goddamn reason. And I don't know why. I really don't. Well, one way to see if this is actually a Windows 98 problem is to just try the exact same method with Windows 95. 18,000 megabytes is only 20 gigs, sorry. So that is actually not our drive. Tab, change disk. Aha! The drive has been set to inactive. That's our problem. So how the hell do we get it active again? Okay. So F6 would be the next drive. Sorry, F7 would be the next drive. Okay, so it's not boot. It's formatted. It's got size we want. Active, no. Create logical, create primary, no. Mark active. Why is this so hard to do? Why is this shit not able to be done anywhere goddamn else? Even the mouse works. Save changes. File system FAT32 formatted. Boot no. Ugh. Alright, well, let's copy Windows 95, and hell, if we have to run Windows 95 on this in order to get this working, I don't really care what operating system it is. I'm just using DOS anyway. /E. Oh god, have fun with that. Let's see if we can do this. So we gotta go to D. And then unplug this. I'm not gonna forget that now. Looks good so far. The trackpad works. Now this is where it should break, because this is where it broke for the Windows 98 one. But it didn't. So that's our problem. Windows 98 was our problem. I don't think we could get this far before. Oh fuck, never mind. God damn it! I could try installing DOS 7 again. What the fuck is this? There's not that many fixed disks. Oh my god. Frickin' dir command fucking me up. Oh, don't you fucking dare. No, let's fuck the partition to the hard disk. Skip that shit. I don't even know where it's gonna write the boot MBR code. No. Yes, overwrite it. Let's do full installation with minimal DOS systems without add-ons. Setup is checking Windows 9X/ME. What? What about it? Does it think I have it installed? I mean, I guess I can tell I could see evidence of that. Oh man, every time it hangs up like this, it means it's broken. What is this? I really don't know how we installed Windows 98 in the first place. I don't even know how we got as far as we did. It just doesn't work anymore. Oh yeah, because I installed it onto the fucking flash drive. That's what it... Oh my god, is this actually going to work this time? No. No. Yes. Setup is now restarting your system. We never got this far before. Okay, we unplug the flash drive. Oh, for fuck's sake. I swear to God, I'm gonna kill someone. Oh. Wait a minute, I actually have an idea. It's a pretty crazy one, but I think it just might work. Fine. Fine. You know what? It's fine. Shit. Well, this ain't good. As you can see right there, it says that it has a disk, but it can't tell me what type of partition it is, and it can't tell me anything about the partitions. So all this repeated nonsense that we've done this whole time has fucked up somehow the drive's partition structure. I really don't know what we did. But what I think we need to have happen now is actually going to stay on the Xserve. That's right, we're going to keep this drive plugged into the Xserve because I have a fucking plan. We're going to get VirtualBox, and we're going to fucking install it. We're going to go into our DOS boot CD and reclaim our DOS 7 ISO that I actually got working, and this is what is supposed to boot when we're installing DOS 7. Then we're going to launch VirtualBox. Not rename it. Fucking launch it. Fuck. Shit. The fuck? Ah, damn. Make a new virtual machine. DOS. Expert mode engage. Name. DOS. Using exist. What happened to expert mode? Oh, fuck's sake. Do not add a virtual hard disk. Create. Okay, settings. Storage. Add a hard disk. It's only gonna let me use fucking piece. Now you gotta do a special command. Dev disk 1. Fuck, I forgot sudo. God damn it. Aha! Raw host disk access VMDK file created successfully. So basically, VirtualBox doesn't have a way to access physical disks directly until you use this terminal command to actually create a quote-unquote hard disk image that you link with your VM, and then it just points directly to a physical disk. Why is this important? Well, let's jump back into VirtualBox. Let's go into the settings, go into storage. We don't have anything in here. We'll get rid of that because we don't need it. Remove. We'll add a hard disk. Let's use an existing disk. And we don't want to use this. That's actually not the thing I'm looking for. VMDK. I fucking spelled it wrong, and it's the wrong file name. Jesus. There we go. Smoke. Open smoke. Failed to open disk image file. Now why the fuck did that happen? Access denied? The fuck is this? This is supposed to work perfectly. God fucking damn it. You know shit's gotten bad when you have to use Linux to do this. So what I've done is I've hooked up the Netbook's hard drive directly to a desktop PC. We're currently booted off of an SSD right now. So they're both connected. So we can see here that dev SDB is our guy right there. So we want to go ahead and edit, paste. Okay, dev slash SDB. Like that. Actually, you can't see it because it's too low. There you go. So right at the bottom there, dev SDB, and this will create our VMDK file. Oh, and I didn't use the fucking sudo shit. I swear to God. Okay, created successfully. Very good. I'm happy. So I'm gonna close this shit. Get our copy of VirtualBox going on here. And we want to go to settings. And we got to go to storage. Get rid of that. Add a hard disk. Choose an existing disk. Smoke. Open. Are you fucking shitting me? Why is this happening on both operating systems? Does this shit just not work? Is that what it is? Like, this is probably the most complicated thing I've ever fucking done. And I guess it shouldn't be a surprise that it doesn't work. Okay, we can play this game. I could do something on Linux that I can't do on OS X. Or at least I don't think I can. What the fuck? God damn it. Haha, I'm a dumbass. It's no caps. There you fucking go. Alright. New. Fucking DOS. Expert mode. Shit. DOS. Do not add virtual hard disk. Create. Boom. Wait, don't launch it. Fuck. God damn it. I don't want to launch it. Nothing's in there. Fuck. Damn it. Shit. Power it off. Piss. Alright. I can't right click with this mouse. Get another mouse. Oh, unwind the mouse. Like, I swear to God, every time I do this shit, it's a fucking nightmare. Every goddamn time, because everything, not just a couple little things that add together, it's every step of the way is a piece of shit in hell, and I just can't, almost can't handle it. Like, it's really, really bad. Remove, add a fucking hard disk, choose an existing hard disk, it's in here, get the smoke, open. There we fucking go! It worked! Okay! Now we can fucking do this. Now it should be formatted as... shit, I don't have the file. So now I gotta go to details. Wait, I got rid of the optical drive. I fucking needed the optical drive. No! Wait, why am I still using that mouse? Shit. Okay, gotta go back to this. We gotta add... we need to add controller ID, add a CD drive. Choose disk. DOS. Open. Okay. Alright, I think we're ready. We have access to a physical drive. I think all of it was allocated with, it's this one. The Untitled one here. This is our physical drive it's going to access. There's nothing on it. I think what I might do before we get started is hit up some Gparted and get rid of this weird shit from OS X that probably fucked me over last time, to be honest. I think I remember I did format with this. Oh my god. Well, we're doing this the fucking hard way then. Delete? Fuck it. Oh god. Do I need to use the delete key? My keyboard doesn't have a fucking delete key. Oh my god, my keyboard doesn't have a delete key. Are you fucking serious right now? I'm about to lose it. I'm really about to lose it. I'm gonna piss. Okay, delete. And the delete key doesn't do it. Oh, it's locked, so no wonder it won't delete it. Oh my god. So that, did you see that? That was like a chain, like a combo of problems. Unmount. I just had to click unmount if I just read, but I didn't. Okay, alright. So now, it's delete. Delete. And we want to make a new FAT32 label weed. And then I think we should be good here. I don't know if I need to add a flag on it or something. Hold on. Hold on a second. Oh, fuck it. Just do it. I have to create a new partition table and do it all over again. I swear to God. Okay, I think it was already MS-DOS. Let's do it again. New. FAT32. Weed. Add. Go. Apply. Go, 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 go. Okay, close. Wait for it, close. Now we gotta open the file manager again. And now we see that weed is in fact right there. And it's 150 gigs. And we're gonna start the virtual machine. And I don't give a shit about what it says. And now we want to install MS-DOS. And now we want to get these notices off the screen because I don't give a shit. And now we gotta press enter to install DOS. And then we're gonna click next even though we're not clicking. And now check the partitions. I don't give a fuck. Why does it... Oh shit. The DOS FAT file system is not active. Therefore if you skip this... Oh, make it active. Make it active. Rewrite the MBR code. There we go. Yes. Do it. Do it. Yes. Oh my god, should we do the full installation or the minimal? I have no idea. This is probably a bad idea. Okay, shit. Again, we're writing to a raw disk, a real physical hard disk. This is a virtual machine, but we're not writing to a virtual shit. I should not have done that. So which one do I have? Sound Blaster, PCI, ISA, C Media. It wasn't C Media last time, so let's just try PCI. See what happens. Okay, whatever. It's not that big of a deal if we don't have it. Quick View Pro. Oh, that's actually not that bad. I used that in the old DOS machine video. MPX Play. Already installed. It's an old version of MPX Play, but I mean, CDP add-on, I don't know what that is. System tools. Antivirus, whatever, I don't care. Backup your data. Norton Utilities. God, there's so much bullshit here. File manager. Another file manager. Another file manager. No, don't want the Chinese add-ons. No. Oh god, my toes are gonna crack. Oh. No. No. Sure. Enable both. Both. Oh wait, fuck, I don't have a CD drive. Oh well. Share, power management, long file names, cute mouse, disk caching, okay. Oh my god. Boot from the hard drive, number 3. Okay. So now we can close this out. Power off the machine. Close it, close it, close it. Close it, and shut the actual Linux box down. Okay, here's the horrible mess. This was the raw hard drive, and then this one was the Linux drive we were booting off of. Real mess. I'm trying to get this done fast. So, I unplugged my camera by accident. I'm getting that intense. I don't even know what I just recorded. I probably fucked everything up. I took it out of the Linux machine, and I put it into our Toshiba here, and I did power it on. And this was kind of the moment of truth until I fucked up the recording. Fucking DOS. DOS motherfucking 7. It took me I don't know how many hours to do this bullshit, but oh my god, it's finally done. Oh my fucking god, it doesn't have to be that hard. It really doesn't. It really, really doesn't. But if you want something installed, and I mean installed, this is what you have to do. You have to fucking have raw disk access to VirtualBox and just install it. It's retarded. Oh my god. And somewhere on here is MPX Play, although I don't know where it is. Media? It's probably in media. I don't know. I really don't know. Why is this directory listing taking so long to pull? I guess because it's 150 gigs, which is really fucking good, by the way. There's MPX Play. Well, that's a problem. MPX Play doesn't work. Or at least not the 1 point whatever version we were using. So, again, not a big deal. All we have to do is plug in this hard drive into another computer and load on the good copy of MPX Play that's on this. Assuming that works. Yeah, I tried to record this next part of me putting it in there, but I stepped on the camera power cable, and yeah, so fuck that. Okay, So since neither Windows nor Mac can be trusted with the delicate intricacies of FAT32, I've turned to Linux to copy the files now. We'll have to mount weed. There it fucking is. MPX play. Again, I have this plugged in directly into the computer. This is not a sled. We are on SATA right now. I plugged it back in, and then we're going to switch back over. And then it's going to be the latest version of MPX Play, which has been proven to work on DOS 7.1. So I can't be too worried here, because the older version of MPX Play that came with DOS 7, we don't need that. It's too old. Get the new shit. Should be good. Shut it down. Okay, well, you get to see me put it in here again. Not too much has changed here. Okay. Alright, so this is the final moment of truth. The true moment of truth. It's no longer can we boot DOS 7 anymore. It's can we even use our shit anymore. Okay. We can fix that later. And there it is. And there it is. Yes! We did it! Yeah! And I almost unplugged the fucking camera again. Jesus! Be right back. Oh yeah! It's working! It's working! Listen to this! Oh yeah! Yeah. That's called working. That's pure DOS, and that's working. I busted my ass to do it, and I did it. Yeah. Oh yeah, and yeah, that's where it's plugged in. Got the monitor headphones. Shit's lively and working. No Windows on this to be found. And we have how much free space? Oh, what's that? I didn't quite hear you. Let my DOS poll the space free on the drive. What is it? Oh my goodness. It's 151 gigabytes. That's, I would say, just enough for my entire music library. This has been Draga1. I will see you next time.